How to turn on parental control in Play Store. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Play Store tutorial video. In this video I am going to show how to turn on parental control in Play Store, and if this video helps you, please share, like and subscribe. Open Play Store in your phone. Click your profile icon in your top right corner. Click Settings. Click Family Settings. Click Parental Controls. Turn on the dongle and set your secret password for the parental control. I hope if this video helps you, you will get more tech information videos to visit and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.